Today I went hiking with a complete stranger. Tomorrow I might go camping with a complete stranger to basically watch the stars and the meteoroids are gonna be going on. I hope I don't die. I'm just like always throwing myself in the most random situations ever. But it's fun. It keeps life interesting. I honestly wasn't sure if this was happening or not until like 10 minutes prior, so I'm not prepared at all. But we're going for it. I'm really excited and nervous a little bit. It's kind of crazy. Very crazy. Whatever. I just drew a bunch of clothes in the bag. All the warm stuff I have because I'm nervous it's gonna be freezing. And this is the camping with a stranger fit. I have absolutely no clue what time it is and ignore what I look like, but I just woke up. Survived sleeping in a car. I don't even know what time it is. I haven't looked at my phone this whole time. Oh, it is 6:40 a.m. What the heck? A little bit chilly, but a minute. Oh my god. Morning. I'm above the clouds. Oh my god. So I slept last night on top of a mountain. It looks so hideous. This is what happens when you sleep in a car. Don't look at me. I figured out why it looked so hideous. I still do. Oh my god. I had the star vision still on. This cow poop. Yummy. Oh my god. Ew. What's up? I'm above the clouds. Oh my god. I'm so happy that I did this.